Hi, once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. As we are into series of how to make money, and in this video again, we are going to discuss again a different topic, again a new topic, and that is all about somebody already started investing or somebody yet to start even investing on the real estate. Very interesting. Most of the people even already invested, they are getting money, they are making money also out of it. But yes, again the question is how to make money from my real estate, and that also without even investing, without even touching even my savings. Already I have already spoken in my savings in my investment pattern. So whatever savings already have done, whatever investment already have done, that is all done. That is already even you have already planned. But here I'm talking, even though if you want to touch your savings and if you want to invest in real estate market, so how you can make money, and as well as if you are not even able to save this money even just to invest on the real estate, from what other way even you can utilize even all other investment, all other savings, and that you can invest toward your real estate, right? So when I'm talking of the real estate, it is not only your own house. Wherever you are staying, you cannot even sell it. You are staying for your own purpose, for your family purpose, that you are just for your living purpose or your staying purpose. But when I'm talking about the investment part, so that is something either maybe I'm giving for a rent, so that is also I'm making money. So wherever even I'm going to purchase, that's whatever XYZ amount I'm going to receive as a rent. So that is actually my return of my investment I'm going to get even as an investment. That is one point. Second, I, let's say, don't want to even give any for rent. I want to invest, I want to purchase, and let's say after 2 3 years or maybe 5 years, whenever the property value will go up, or maybe the real estate market will go up, so I'll just sell it off, maybe 30%, 40%, 50%, whatever amount you are going to receive. So that is over a period of time. You might think no, even other tool might not give you even that much even returns, even worldwide also. If I look out, maybe this is one of the very popular tool even to make even money also, isn't it? So these are the typically two parameters when people are investing in the real estate market. So one set of people, they will be always thinking my house will be my house, or maybe my apartment or my property will be my property. I just want to give for a rent. I just want to give for a lease. I want to just give for any purpose of commercial, let's say commercial, residential, whatever purpose you are going to give, and you are just making money out of it. So property also yours, money also you are making, while you have invested X or Y or Z certain amount of money. So up to here we are very clear, very simple. Most of the people already have done this kind of investment. So this is nothing a new logic, new definition. So it is very popular when somebody, let's say, already utilize this way to invest even money. Now the other way, if I look out, now why how you can make money, that we have understood. Yes, real estate is a basic tool. It's a very important tool where I can make money 30, 40, 50, whatever percentage I want to make, I can make it out as per the market scenario. But here we are into different discussion. Again, without my savings, or let's say if I want to invest, let's say any XYZ city you are staying, whatever across world, even wherever city, whatever your that cost of that place, if you're staying, so real estate again market will be varying even based on your city, based on your locality. So let's say today, if I give you an example, let's say wherever I'm staying, let's say it is a southern part of India. So if I look out, so on an average price, it will be around 15 to 20,000 per square feet. Just an example I'm just giving you. So if I want to purchase 500 square feet, I want to purchase, let's say, 1,000 square feet, or let's say in not in that. If I want to purchase, let's say, one BHK, or let's say it is a two BHK, three BHK, as per my need or as per my investment. So I need to invest, let's say, around 50 lakhs, 1 CR or more than that, according to locations, according to even your need, even your amenities also, isn't it? Up to here, we are all clear. So now the very important part, and why you are in this video, why you are discussing a point, how to make money, not in selling, not in buying, how you can even make money even by investing in the real estate, and that also without touching your savings. How it is possible? Again, sound very interesting. So let's take an example. Even if you have already a pen and paper, so you can also do the same calculation with me also. It will be very easier for you because it is all your investment, it is all your hard-earned money, so you will be able to follow even whatever I'm just telling you, rather than even showing in the Excel or showing in my calculation, because it is your need. You have to do calculate for yourself, right? So imagine, let's say I want to purchase a house, even maybe for the investment purpose. I want to invest, let's say, into the real estate market, let's say around 1 crore. Now again, I have two thoughts in my mind. One is, again, I have to use my savings. So maybe wherever I have already kept the money, or maybe I'm getting a bulk amount, let's say on the insurance premium, insurance policy are getting maturity, or let's say maturity amount, what I typically I want to say, or maybe some ancestral property, I'm getting another money, I want to invest in the real estate market. So that also, it is possible that way also you can do this. The second thought, and this is a very popular thought, most of the people even using in a same method. I just want to borrow money. I just want to take a loan from the bank, and there are a lot of financial institutes already there in the market. So, as per according to your even eligibility, even they will be giving you the loan. So, I just want to take a loan, and just I want to purchase or want to invest in that same even real estate property itself. If it is your own money, then you are not going to lose anything, isn't it? So I have 1 crore, let's say. That 1 crore, if I'm going to invest, so over a period of time, I'm just going to, let's say, getting on this 1 crore property. If I want to sell it off after 5 years or 10 years, I'm going to get even 4 crores or maybe 5 crores. So that net 3 crores or 4 crores is my profit. Clear? This is if I have my own money. But in the second case, what will happen? If I want to take, let's say, from a bank, so I have to clear the bank loan first. And typically, if you look out, and I have already discussed in my home loan series video also, you can just go, you can watch, and then you can come back to this video so that you will understand a better way. In home loan, I have to clear almost a double amount, whatever capital amount I'm just going to borrow even from the any kind of financial institute. So typically, if I look out, if I want to invest in 1 CR, let's say, to any real estate investment, so I need to pay to the bank even 2 crores. And after that, if I want to even sell it off, the same amount if I'm going to get, so definitely I'm not going to get even the same profit what I used to get even from my own even savings, but here I will get even maybe 40% or 50% or maybe 60% maximum in my profit margin. So again, this is another thought. But irrespective of both this thought, what we are going to discuss, even with my 19 plus years experience, whatever I have gathered even during my service, even whatever I'm gathering, even till with my all this even client even discussion, even all my case studies, you either no need to put it in one way, the once year, you no need to wait for any winning a lottery, or maybe you no need to wait for your any kind of let's say ancestral amount, but still you have to arrange this 1 crore or maybe this 2 crore, as I told you, depends on your budget, depends on your locality, or depends on your amenities, whatever exactly you are looking for the investment. So here you can plan up, let's say, that's what I told you, just take a pen and paper. So when you want to purchase this uh, this real estate property, or let's say when you want to invest on this real estate property, so that is the first thing you have to mention in your diary or wherever you are noting. So let's say today I just want to purchase, let's say after 3 years, or let's say I just want to purchase it, let's say after 5 years, whatever today's year, even 2026, 27, whatever you can make it. So based on that one, you just plan it for 3 years, or let's say for the 5 years. So that is the first thing you have to note it down. That's what I told you. You cannot even do it, or I cannot show you in the Excel itself. Now, the second thing, what you need to do for this certain years, whatever you have already kept it, you have already written. For that, you have to calculate how many months are there. So, let's say if I take an example, let's say for 5 years, down the line, 5 years, I just want to invest in real estate around once a year. So, how many months in a 5 years? It is around your 60 months, isn't it? So, 12 months multiply 5, it is very simple, 60 months. Now you have to divide this 1 crore divided by your 60 months. So whatever you are getting, maybe around 1 point some changes you will be getting around 15, maybe around 17,000 you are getting on the same, even on the, let's say, on the calculation, right? So I'm just telling you, so you can do the calculation. Now what do you mean by this? So I told you, don't touch your savings. You no need to wait for your altogether 1 year money. You no need to wait for any ancestral money. It is how you can purchase, you can own for your own real estate property, and that you can make a profit, and that you can make a huge money. But whatever this 15,000, 20,000, or 30,000, whatever you have divided just now, whatever result you are getting. So what do you mean by this? Means the third point. Just make a note. So this 20,000, this 30,000, or let's say this 50,000, whatever, you are getting the result according to your choice, according to, because every calculation will not be same. So let's say I'm just fixing a example, let's say for 50,000. So 60 months, I have to invest 50,000 per month, where I can get my own house or own real estate property after, let's say, 5 years, without any bank loan, without touching my savings, or without even wait for any of the bulk amount, maybe for XYZ sources. Now, this 50,000, again, you might ask another question. So, this 50,000, where to invest? So, that I told you. So, there are different tools. Already, we have discussed even certain tools. So, that is up to your choice, because I'm not here to discuss any of the product, any of the services. So, already have discussed. You can go back even all my financial tools. You can understand all the tools, all the method, or you personally, you can also chat me. You can also even mail me, so that I can calculate, I can give you a better even understanding on your financial planning, and I can give you some solution on the same. So I'm not talking about the tool over here. I'm just talking about the method, which is very important. So 50,000 I need to invest. Now all this 50,000 I need to invest. That is the beauty. You are not going to invest the entire 50,000. That is a calculation you have already received. So now the biggest surprise is, out of that, if it is 50,000, you have to prepare only for 25,000 per month. And tool I already told you, so that you can decide by your own, whatever tool you feel. Already have discussed. You have to plan for 25,000 each and every month. So over a period of time, again 60 months, again 5 years. So you are just investing in that tool, and that tool is going to give you a return, let's say a basic of 10 to 15% also. Again, I'm talking, because as I told you, even last even 15, 20 years, even whatever the investment pattern all put together, if I tell you 10 to between 15%, you are going to get a returns of your any of your financial tool, maybe XYZ tool, maybe ABC, whatever tool you are investing. That is the market scenario. That is the overall even financial returns I'm just talking. So on a 10 to 12% also, or 10 to 15% also, if I'm going to get by investing 25,000, getting that asset even after 5 years. So how much I'm going to invest? Half of this. So if I'm planning for 1 year, I'm actually investing for 50 lakhs. The remaining 50 lakhs I'm getting by this interest, and put together this 1 year, I'm going to invest, or I'm going to purchase this real estate property. Maybe I can give for rent. Maybe I can also keep for some time, and then I can sell it off. So both way, again, if you look out, that is going to give you again a recurring income. If it is a rent, it's a recurring income. If it is a one time even selling opportunity, if you are looking, so again you are going to get maybe 60, 70, or beyond that, or maybe double of that, or maybe triple x of that. And again, by investing of your 50%. So I'm not going to touch my savings, I'm not going to touch my investment, I'm not going to touch anything. Even though on that 50%, if I want to invest, I can make 3x or 4x or the 5x on my real estate property. Sound very interesting? And that is how you have to plan. That is how you have to make your money. So, any more questions, any more queries? I'm always welcome. More and more, even tricks if you want, more and more even planning if you want for yourself, you have to just get back to me with my mailbox or maybe in my chat box. Thanks. Thanks for watching.
We've been waiting for so long.